and this came in it. No. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be what I found at Savers on the 50% off day, which is Monday. Thank you guys again for tuning back into my video, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'll show is I got all of these zippers. It says $3.99, but
because it was half off, it was only, so it's $4 with the $3.99. They always try to get us with that $3.99, but we know it was $4. Like, come on, you know what I mean?
But it was $4, 50% off. This was $2 for all of these zippers. And so I got 27 zippers. I think that's more than enough to practice with, because although I can, you know, put in a zipper and I can put in invisible zippers, my skill in that needs love. And if you're on a budget, you have to cut corners where you can. And this is one of those corners. Moving on. So I found this, supposedly $1.99. We all know that means $2. So it was half off, so therefore it was $1. I've been wanting to get this because I saw a video that Eryn did from Style So Me of how she gathered her skirt with cooking thread. And this, I'll link the video down below so you guys can see it. So when she sewed it, she sewed a zigzag stitch over it, and then all she had to do was pull the thread out, the cooking thread out, and she was able to gather her skirt that way and then sew it, instead of, you know, the traditional way, which is, you know, sewing 2 basting stitches and then, you know, gently just start like gathering your skirt. I do want to make a gathered maxi, a long gathered skirt for the maxi dress that I have in mind. So I want to practice that. I was also able to find 3 patterns. So the first 2 were the ones that I saw last week. It was these 2. They were both 50 cents because it's half day. So each of these were 50 cents. This is the one that I really wanted, and I think this is just a really cute, like, little box pleated dress with the beautiful detail in the back. So these are the front of all 4 dresses. And I think this is cute, this is cute, this is cute. I think all of these are cute, you know? And you could even make it like you could even make the front and back piece one color and then the side piece is another color and make your dress. Like, I think this is just a really cute, really cute. This is the back. You can either do like a cross back or the heart shaped back. I thought that was really unique. I can't wait to look up at some Instagrammers and who use the hashtag 1382, because I think this one might actually have a lot. And this was not cut, and that's what I really love about some of the people that donate, is that a lot of the patterns aren't even cut. The next one that I found was actually this one, and this is another cute dress. My daughter loves dresses. I'm not a fan of dresses. I don't like dresses, but my daughter loves dresses, and this is the Simplicity 1703. So this is the, let me take this.
Take your time when it comes to taking or removing the tag of a used pattern, because I don't know why they do this. You know, I don't think they realize how much they damage the sewing patterns, because if you just yank it off, you're not only going to rip off the number, which is fine, I guess, but it just, you know, you rip off the back, and I feel like there's so much useful information outside of the pattern pieces, and it makes it all look just well put together when you can just do this to it. You see that? And this is the Simplicity 1382.
This is the Simplicity 1703, and look at how cute this is. That is so pretty. This is so pretty. The little vest is so pretty. Look at that. You can do view A, view B, view C, and then the little jacket that goes on top. I think that is really, really cute. Look at how beautiful this is. That is so pretty. Look at how you can make the long version, you can make the short version. I would probably make this one because it's pretty. And then this is the back, view A and view B. This is so pretty. Thank you so much for following me on Instagram if you do. And I am currently working on the 8104. The video will probably go up in the next couple days. And I got this one to go with the blue fabric that I bought last week. I do have 5 yards, almost 5 yards of this fabric, and I do want to make myself something out of this, but I think it would also be perfect for my daughter as the outer shell of this dress. It is reversible, so like this one could be the pattern piece, and then you see the orange on the inside. Then they flipped it over and now you can see the yellow on the inside. So it is like a reversible one, and it's only 3 pattern pieces. So I think this would be very, very cute for my daughter to wear. And this could be the outer layer, and then this blue can be the inside layer. You know what I mean? And if, or vice versa, whatever she feels like wearing that day. So I think that's really, really cute. This says that it was $4. So it was only $2 for about 1.5 yards, a little bit over than 1.5 yards, which I think is a pretty decent deal considering that 1 yard can be anywhere from $6 to $7. This one was only $3, but you see that it's not super wide. It is really cute. It's just really short. But yeah, you guys, that is it. That is what I was able to find at Savers. If you guys like seeing these Savers hauls, go ahead and like and comment and subscribe. Don't just watch me, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Like, my previous video of the jumpsuit is almost at 100 views. That is so exciting. I am past the 500 subscriber mark. It's really exciting.
Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And stay tuned for my next video, which will probably be this one. Bye.